eager to learn how to make your photos pop with easy adjustments? Hey there, and welcome to 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Get ready for quick and effective tips on posing, lighting, camera settings and retouching. Let's get started. Today I'm showing you one of the simplest poses ever, and despite being so straightforward, it's extremely popular with both female and male viewers. Here is how it's done. I ask our model to simply lie on her stomach in the middle of the bed, making sure her legs and feet are comfortably placed and it feels natural for her. It's important to know that this pose works beautifully for practically any body type. For this look, I prefer outfits like bodysuits or lingerie that show off the bum, so we can make the most of the highlights and shadows that the light casts on her skin to define her body shape. Of course, you can also use this pose for fine art nude photography. The legs, feet and toes should be nicely extended with the legs kept together. The arms are positioned so that the elbows are under the shoulders, allowing her to easily and beautifully lift her upper body. Her gaze should be directed forward and the hair should fall elegantly over her back. She can either slightly rotate and lift her pelvis or simply keep her bum completely relaxed. The best option depends on the model's flexibility. In most cases, I advise my clients to simply relax, including the bum. We are using the beautiful natural light from the large windows on her right side, and I'm positioned slightly behind and above her to the left. This angle helps to elongate her legs and create lovely proportions. Hey, I'm really curious to see how you pull off this pose. Send me your photo, the link is in the video description. When it comes to camera settings, since we're working with a mix between backlight and side light and I want to protect the white points, I shoot with an aperture at f1.8, the shutter speed is at 1/200th a second and the ISO is set at 100. Looking to take your photos to the next level? My exclusive Lightroom presets are now available. Check out the amazing before and after examples and see for yourself. You'll find the link to the presets in the video description. Regarding photo editing, editing this shot is almost more complex than the pose itself, but it's still quick and easy to manage. We start with adjusting the white balance. As you know, the color temperature in our studio is set at 5500 with a tint of 15. I significantly increase the exposure by 2 stops as I always protect the white points while shooting and then adjust the exposure in post-processing. I select one of our beautiful Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack presets to create a stunning look and gorgeous skin tones. In this case, I love the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Color Contrast preset. I make minor adjustments to the crop and upright to perfectly frame her in the shot. To give the photo an extra touch, I browse through our presets once more and choose the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Look 5 Amsterdam. I absolutely love how this look works for this image. And there you have it. Our stunning boudoir photo is complete. Thanks for watching 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Join us next Saturday for another episode. And if you enjoyed this, check out the next video here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.